Stick here, he is holding the office of GM, our own line, YV Ramchandra Rao Garu, fondly called as YVR. Sir, we request you to take over from here. Thank you.
అందరికి వినబడుతుందా? బాబు అప్పుడే కాదమ్మా. Goal setting and action plan are very important for leadership. Through its achievements, today we are the biggest, largest organization in humanitarian services. I mean NGO organization. Today we are going to discuss about goal setting, action plan, and combined how to apply it. Before that, let us do a small exercise. Can you see the line logo here? Just put your right hand here like this. Read only, see only the hand. Take all the details in your hand. Only hand. Now, you look at the lines logo with the hand like this. Okay? In the first one, what you have seen? First ఏం చూశారు మీరు? హ్యాండ్ చూశారు. లోగో చూశారు అప్పుడు? హ్యాండ్ ఒక్కటే చూడమన్నప్పుడు యు నాట్ సీన్ లోగో. వెన్ యూ ఆస్క్ టు లుక్ ఎట్ ద లోగో, డిడ్ యూ సీ ఎట్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్? That is the goal. These are the problems. Before goal setting is very, very important. There will be a lot of problems for us. You have to concentrate on the goal, not on the problems. If you look at the problem, you cannot achieve the goal. This is a very basic important for us. You write a letter, beautiful letter drafted to your district governor. You put it in an envelope. You don't write the address. Where it goes? Nowhere. Goal also, if you want to be a successful leader, you should have a goal and action plan. These are very important parts of it. At the end of the session, we'll be knowing about set smart goals, create action plans, apply smart goals and action plan knowledge. We have to understand, one is knowledge, other one is application. We might be seen in the colleges, many lecturers, professors are very intelligent or knowledgeable. Only few are very famous with their students because they know how to apply it also. Not only having the knowledge, you should have the tactics or techniques also to apply it. Then only we can go for it. This module will be about set smart goals. What is smart goals? Because before coming to here, prior to this workshop, we have been asked to go through the online goal setting class. How many people have gone? How many lines leaders have been? 2. Well, still, I'll encourage, I'll request you to go through the online class once after this workshop is over. Because it's a very, very helpful tool for you to succeed in your roles. Anybody can tell what is the part of smart goals?
Yes. Specific.
Okay.
Measurable.
Okay.
Actionable.
Okay.
Realistic.
Realistic.
Time.
What is the గట్టిగా చెప్పండి అందరూ కలిసి. Let us.
Specific. Measurable. Actionable. Realistic.
Time out.
Time out.
What is this sentence? Can Satyanarayana garu, can you read out for this?
Setting goals is just the first step of turning the invisible into the visible.
What is that?
Invisible into the visible.
Turning the goals
Which are invisible.
you could not see.
We cannot see. To be visible.
Yeah.
Which we can show to others.
Okay. Good. The first one is what is specific? What
What needs to be done.
to be done. Second one, measurable. What needs to be done? It's wrong. Achievable, can be done. Realistic, what is attainable? Time bound, when is to be done? Let us take a small example. Specific. What is specific? Can you tell anybody?
Suppose you want to improve the membership of the club. So that membership is a specific goal.
Okay.
Members.
Numbers.
That
Ah.
First is measurable.
Okay.
Measurable means you want 10 members, 20 members, 30 members.
Okay.
10
No, we are strict to means only specific. What is specific? I'll tell you one thing. You want to have buy a house. Is it a specific? It's not specific. You have to know 1 bedroom house or 2 bedroom house, which area you want it, how much area you want it. All these things should be calculated. Then it is a specific. General, buying a house is a generalized. I'll tell you one thing. A person is earning around 2 lakh rupees. His bank balance is 10 lakh rupees. He wants to buy a car of 20 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupees. Is it a good goal?
No.
Why?
Because whatever he is having is not sufficient for the action.
Here I want to say, this is only decision making,
Decision making.
not a goal. It's a goal means we have to come out of our box. We have to stretch, plan it, and reach it. We have to struggle a lot. This is only what example I given is only a decision. Konala hotta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ let 1 year, after 1 year you may be buying it. So there is a difference between the decision and goal. Don't get confused. Many people say that small things also as a goal. It's not a goal. Where you have to struggle, you have to work, you have to put your efforts into achieve it. That's where you get the goal. What is this one?
It is just a wish.
Is it specific?
It's not specific, sir.
Why it is not specific?
Because there is no effort and
Huh?
there is no effort, there is no quantitative, there is no how much they want to reduce,
Okay.
within how much
There is
time
no
they
time
want to reduce,
Okay.
how they will reduce.
Good. Now is it specific?
Yeah.
In what time frame.
No, that's time bound. It comes. How? What is his main object? What he want to do?
Reduction is a specific,
Specific goal. How you measure it? How you are going to measure it?
how much you will reduce in, that 10 kg has reduced or not? Or 5 kg has reduced, 2 kg has reduced, so that is measurable.
Yes.
That can be measured.
Once you know the time bound, the measurable will come into account. 2 kgs per month. Is it right? Is it right? Is it actionable?
Yes, it can, if
Provided
provided.
he maintains certain exercise and diet and all these things, he can achieve. Actionable. Is it realistic? You want to have a pizza with double cheese, extra cheese, and want to have the sweets and all, and you want to desire, his desire is to come down 20 kgs per month. Is it possible? It's not realistic. How much time you have put?
5 months, 2 kg per month means 5 months.
5 months. Good. June. Today is, this month is Jan. How is this statement? Koti garu, ఒక్కసారి చదవండి.
Change the statement into a smart goal. Club officers in my district will complete their training.
Yeah. Now we'll take this sentence, form into smart goals. From your table first to start, you can discuss and let me know what is specific in this.
So club officers in my district will complete their training
In
the
June,
next 1 month.
we are talking about June.
June.
Yeah.
So
He said district, right.
club officers in my district will complete their training in next 1 month or next 2 months. So that specificity has to be added.
You tell me accurately, not 1 month or 2 months. You give full statement for 2 months or 3 months, whatever, it will be a single statement.
Club officers in my district will complete their training in next 1 month with the cooperation of GATI.
No, I am asking only specific. You are telling full sentence, smart sentence. I am asking first, you table take only specific point.
Club officers in my district will complete their training in membership area.
Okay. Can you add measure to that?
Club officers in my district have to complete their training by February ending.
Date ka, measurable.
Measure. In 2 months' time.
time boundary. How you measure it? Goal is that all his club officers to be get trained. How you measure it?
How many clubs have completed?
How many clubs are there? We see all the 72 clubs in my district will undergo the training. Next sentence. Is it attainable?
Yes, sir. Can be
Actionable?
actionable.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it realistic?
Should be realistic.
Because when it is unrealistic means when you have 72 clubs, expect 80 clubs member officers to do it is not realistic one. 70 or 70, 71, 69 are realistic. And what is the time? Because the district officers will be taking the office from July 1st. Okay? So the training should be before that. You have to put before June 30th or 15th of June, something like that. You have the participant manual. Turn page 1 and manual lo kuda undi. You have got the manual also. I have given extra copies this one. First chapter is goal setting. First chapter is goal setting. Take out the exercise. We have given 4 questions in this. One minute. Don't start it. There are 4 points are there. 4 scenarios we are given there. Got it? Next page, sir. Ramakrishna garu. 4 case studies are there. Okay? You had first you discuss among yourself and make it a smart goal. Got it, sir? First read the question, apply the smart theory into that, make a final statement. There are 4 questions are like that. Nine Kotigar, okay? 4 questions. You all 4 discuss first. Don't directly write it. Discuss, then you put it, and you have one person has to read out this whole sentence. I will give you 10 minutes time. No, just first discuss, all 4 people together discuss it, then you write it. Have you done, please? How about this table? Have you done? Have you written, write down, sir? Have you done? Not yet. Okay. How about you, Dr. Suresh Kotigaru? Have you done? Can you read one for us? First goal. 1 minute. I'll give you the mic.
5 clubs in my zone out of 8 clubs before February 15. The club quality initiatives
Program.
program.
Right. Right. మీరు ఏమైనా చెప్తారా సత్యనారాయణ గారు? యూ వాంట్ టు ట్రై వన్? ఓకే. డాక్టర్ సురేష్,
Sir,
ఎనీథింగ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రీడ్?
sir, all 4 clubs in my zone should complete CHI before 28th February.
Good. You want to read, sir?
Encourage all 5 clubs with 26 members approximately at an appropriate place,
Okay.
acceptable place before 28th of February.
Good. Round of applause for them. Sir, goals are very, very important tool for success. Goal setting, particularly applying the SMART techniques, is very, very helpful for you to complete a successful zone chairperson. Without this tool, we cannot go further because we have to know what we have to do. Then only we can plan how to get to go there. Suppose you want to go to Delhi. First that is the goal. Next one, what is the action you want to take? By train or road or whatever it may be. So these both are very, very important factor, crucial factor for your success. This is very important. This has to be taken into very seriously before taking into any action. Plan. What is action plan?
How to implement it?
Yes. How you implement it? Action plan, nothing but it will be knowing what steps you are taking, what is the how much progress you have made, how to attain the rest of the one. Any issues is there, all the things will be covered. Let us see example. What is this? A goal without a plan? Just a wish. Because we think lot of things to be done, particularly on 31st December, many people take lot of resolutions to quit smoking, quit drinking, or all bad habits they want to throw it off. But again 1st January they are doing it because there is no action plan for them. They just wish it and goal is there. But they never succeed without action plan. What is the first step, sir? Statement. This is the action steps. This is the responsible party. Required resources. Beginning time, end time. Anything common you find in this? Anything common you find in this? What is SMART? T stands for? What is this? Sometimes SMART and action plans are similar, same, repetition. Repeat will be there. Don't get confused. Just fill the form, make the statement as it written here. It may be repeated here and here. Let us not bother about it. Just write it. Can you take out the participant manual? Let us take one issue as a membership growth, 10% of membership growth. Let's work on that. 10% membership growth. Action plan for 10% membership growth. Can you try that? ఇక్కడ ఇదే పేపర్లో 10% దాన్ని ముందు స్పెసిఫిక్ గోల్ రాయాలి, దానికి యాక్షన్స్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు రాయాలి, దాన్ని ఎవరి ద్వారా చేస్తున్నారో చెప్పాలి, దానికి కావాల్సిన రిసోర్సెస్ ఏం కావాలి మీకు. అప్లికేషన్ ఇప్పుడు మెంబర్ జాయిన్ అంటే ఏం కావాలి, ముందు అప్లికేషన్ కావాలి. వాళ్ళకి ఎలా తయారు చేస్తారు, ఫ్లైయర్స్ పంపిస్తారు, వాట్సాప్లో పంపిస్తారు, ఫేస్బుక్లో పంపిస్తారు, రిక్వెస్ట్ స్ప్రెడ్ చేస్తారు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. అవి వాట్ ద రిసోర్సెస్ ఇవి ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు, ఎప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. ద ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ స్మార్ట్ గోల్, హౌ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు మేక్ ది గోల్. Next one is action. What is the action you are going to take? Next one is who is the responsible party. Other one is resources, what you need in for that. And start date and close date. End time ఇప్పుడు సారీ ఎండ్ టైం అది. Before filling it, you can refer to your participant manual 4. You will understand what is what. Participant manual 4, page number 4. The right side it has been clearly sent. The right, it's on the page. The right side. Take out page number 4, sir. You will be understanding it. The left side, details have been given there. Yeah. You can read, and according to that, you can apply that. You have guidance also on the page 4. Take the guide from that and try to apply that. Every step very clearly written there. మీకు ఎక్స్ట్రా పేపర్ ఇచ్చాను సార్, దీని మీద రాసేయండి. గివెన్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. డాక్టర్ సురేష్, హ్యావ్ యు డన్? రామకృష్ణ గారు, సత్యనారాయణ సార్, ఇద్దరు సత్యనారాయణ గారు, ముగ్గురు, 3 ట్రిపుల్ ఎస్ ఐ కెన్ సే. Have you done? Table is done? తిప్పసేన గారు అయిపోయిందా? మీరు సార్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకొని రాసుకోండి, ఏం కదా, తప్పేం లేదు ఇట్లా, నథింగ్ రాంగ్ ఇన్ ఇట్. సార్, వన్ మోర్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఇస్ దేర్, నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్. Let us do a small this thing what we have discussed about weight loss, 10 kgs. We can put that. that on. Just we have discussed that one. You can just put that. You can clearly understand what is it. Yeah, 10%. 10 kgs weight loss. Just now we have seen that smart application of goals we have seen just now. 10 kgs weight loss. You make action plan for that. 10 kgs weight loss. Just now we have seen it. No? You make an action plan for that. Very clearly it was defined in SMART goal. Dr. Suresh, you can just fix it. What are the items you have completed, just put it there, display. The exercise that we have done for it. Action plan and SMART goals we have done it. No? Exercises we have done just now. You just cut the paper and put it in. After completing that, you can fix it there. Okay, you have loose paper also. Again, that write it, and that's the reason I brought that. Don't cut from the manual, write it on that and fix it. Just FX undergo. It's a common area limit, and so that everybody can see. Have you done, sir? And so that table will be putting there. All this table work may be put here. Tape it. Right, good. All change, sir. Ramakrishna Garu, you can take the tape there. Pull that side. Close cheyekandi. Line Satyanarayana Garu. C.H. Satyanarayana Rao Garu. Done. You can put it there, sir. No? Or something missing, you can let me. If anything missing also, you can note it down and let me know. సార్ మీరు కూడా వెళ్ళండి తిప్పుసారు అక్కడ చదివి ఏమైనా కొత్తగా ఉన్నాయా మీరు రాసిందే ఉన్నాయా లేకపోతే ఏమైనా కొత్తగా ఉన్నాయా చూడండి మీరు కూడా వెళ్ళండి సార్ జస్ట్ గో అండ్ రీడ్ చూడండి చూసి
They have only written weight reduction.
Okay, what will we?
Membership.
Okay. Okay, good.
Membership is not required.
They may be interested in their own goals, sir. Okay. Any new thing you found from the listing? Anything short?
They have not mentioned
Made it more clear, sir, because
by specifying the date.
required resources, it has to be divided.
No,
into
no, no.
team members.
You just tell me what is difficult, what they not covered, the points mentioned here. The points, all these points should be covered in that. Anything missing in that about the points? Another question, B.
Sir, actually they have mentioned some February to the month name only,
Ah.
not specific date.
Okay,
They have not mentioned specific.
okay. Anything else? All other points they covered it? Action plan is good?
Resources, sir, they have written, sir.
Resources, what will be the resources? What do you think? For weight reduction, you have to read it, no? What is the resources? Walking. Okay.
Sir, that
Date.
is not resources, sir, that is the action.
Action.
Implementation.
Resources means
Addition.
taking a
Has to
dumbbell
help you.
or going to a gym.
Personnel.
These are all resources. That's the reason we are giving the exercise and asking you to do, so you can understand what is it exactly mean. Okay. Date has been there. Could you all understood? Any questions in this? The action plan is a very, very important along with SMART goals, because this gives you a clear map. You will be knowing what to do, how to do. This is a very important. If you know both the things, success is very easy for us. Without both the things are there, it will be very difficult. You will be not able to achieve the goal as expected. So we have to very, very careful making this action plan and your goals. It should be realistic. What the alteration you have made? Alteration is very, very important. When you are reviewing things, things are not moving in your direction or as expected, the alteration has to be made. We have to make the goal. When the direct line is not clear, we have to take alternate route. But goal has to be intact. That should not be changed. That is fixed. Suppose you go to Hyderabad, from Raichur you have come. You will check in Google Map. It shows 5 hours. What you do? Normally you go in 3 hours. Then you ask for alternate route. The destination is same. Your goal is same, Raichur. When the road is busy or met with accident, it's not moving as expected in 3 hours. It is showing 5 hours. What you do? You try to go other alternate route, which is less than 5 hours. And how the road speed is there and all road clearance, all these things you check it and go. This type of alteration has to be done in case you are not going as per your plan. అర్థమైందండి మీకు? మీరు అనుకున్నట్టు అవట్లేదు అనుకోండి, అలాగే ముందుకెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది? యూ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు రీచ్ ది గోల్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ నెసరీ యాక్షన్ ఆల్టరేషన్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద సిచ్యువేషన్, బట్ యూ షుడ్ రీచ్ ద గోల్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్, యాజ్ డిజైన్డ్. Remember, like good action step can be a SMART too. Not only goal, even action plan also is a very smart one. When it is obvious, we said the alteration. Alteration is very, very important. What I was emphasizing earlier. Without looking at a participant manual, how many can name the SMART attributes? Attribute of SMART, creating a SMART. What is SMART? The Unison, let us all together tell that loudly.
Specific, measurable, actionable, realistic,
Let,
time-bound.
again, be a little louder.
Specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, time-bound.
Why I am asking you to repeat is that when you listen here, you think I know it, I understand, I remember. When after 4 days or 5 days, things go again, you have to, because there's a paper thin margin here, I am telling. Actionable. Almost sometime you get it to be achievable. Realistic. whatever, something new name you may get it. If you try to put it in your mind 3-4 times, definitely it will get into the head. I'll show you a video. What is his goal?
To become rockstar. Why? Learn.
What is the action?
Why?
How can he buy? By working.
Why, sir?
He brought?
Why, sir?
Okay.
Teaching.
Then
Learning.
you learn it.
Practice.
Practice. Finally, he has the SMART goal, action plan. Both are compared and executed properly according to his ideas, and finally he became a rockstar. Simple word, I put it all these things 1 hour lesson in 2 minutes video. You can understand how he has done it. Any questions, please ask me, sir. This is a goal setting. Any questions, please feel free to ask. ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి. ఏమండి తర్వాత ఒక పని చేయండి. యూ హ్యావ్ వన్ యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్ ఆఫ్ మై membership growth and all these things. You had in the last page, you have got it. When I am a region chairperson, I designed that format and used for my convenience. Last but 2 pages. ఈ పేపర్ సింగిల్ లూజ్ పేపర్ ఇచ్చాం కదా, లూజ్ పేపర్. When I was a region chairperson 2011 and 12, I made this format. Yes, this will be useful for the region chairperson as well as the zone chairperson. One page is club history, other page is membership information and fees. This is the action plan I made for myself. Is it not useful? In one page you can see whole club history, total history. No need to go to online and check it. Every month once you upload it, that is sufficient for you. Easily over the tip, or anybody calls, immediately you can tell, this is your membership. These are so many family members are there, so many life members are there, so many PDGs are there, so many past RCs are there, past JCs are there. All the information has been there. When they paid the district dues, when they paid the international dues, first half, second half, that also I have given the details. You got it? Is it useful for you? Very useful. Good. Any questions now? Now we can understand. Set SMART goals. Can we set? Unison, you have to say yes or no? Yes, sir. Are you sure? If anybody have any doubts, please ask before that. Second one? Is it clear? Understood? The last final one? And? Is it also clear? Before that, let us do a small exercise. Take these 2 hands. This is you. This is your goal. This is your goal. This is you. Right? These both are SMART goals and actions. Okay? What is this? What is ICE? SMART goals and action plans. This is you. This is goal. You get to like this. Look at me. Look at me. Now look at your fingers. Look at only your fingers. What is happening? When you have smart goals and action plans, automatically you can achieve your goals. Thank you very much. Thank you.